Okay, right now we're going to talk about sigma notation. Sigma is the first letter of the Greek word. I don't know the Greek word, but it means to sum. To sum up. And it's a wonderful, powerful tool in mathematics for adding a large number of things together. For example, if we have sigma I equals 1 up to 5 of 3i squared plus 2i plus 1, it means we're going to add 5 things up. It means that first we're going to have I equals 1, and then we're going to have I equals 2, and then I equals 3, and I equals 4, and I equals 5. We're going to start with whatever we have I equal to here, and we're going to stop as soon as we have I equaling that thing. So, when I is 1, we have 3 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3, 5, 6. And when I is 2, we have 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 4, 12, and 5, 17. And when I is 3, oh, why did I choose something like this? But it's 9 times 3, 27 plus 6 plus 1 is 33, 34. And when I is 4, we have 16 times 3, which is 48. Plus 2 fours is 8, plus 1, that's 9, that's 57. And when I is 5, we have 75 plus 10 plus 1, which is 86. And what it means is we add all of these up. Lordy, lordy, lordy. 6 and 17. Oh, let's just do it crazy. What is this? 23 together with this makes it 57, and then another 57. And then an 86 is 14, 20, 10, 11, 12, 300. Okay, so this is a weird way of saying 300. If you liked that awful, awful movie a while ago, instead of calling it the 300, you could have called it the summation of I equals 1 to 5 of 3i squared plus 2i plus 1, unless I've made a mistake. It's also a very powerful way to represent things added all up. Let's say you have 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus, you want all these odd numbers from 5 up to 101. Well, what do you do? Oh, geesh, what do you do? Well, let's see. We're going to start with, well, what is it? If they're going up by 2 each time, then whatever our I is, we're going to be doubling our I. Let's have I start at 1. If I is 1, because that's sort of like the slope, sort of-ish. If I is 1, then this is 2, and then we'd have to add 3 to that to get 5. And now when I is 2, it's going to be 4 plus 2 is the 7. And when I is 3, it's going to be 6 plus 3 is 9. And it will go all the way up. Well, one way to do it is, what is 2i plus 3 equals 101? That is 2i will be 98. So we're going to stop at half of 98, which is 49. So the sum from 1 up to 49 of 2i plus 3 is this thing. Not only is that whole sum, but individually gives you all of those terms for each index. So you can see that there are, is that 49 terms? Yes, 49 terms, all odd, and it's a very powerful tool. Yes, we'll leave it at that.